ready for quite possibly the best Walmart try-on haul to date. Hello, brand new arrivals from Walmart in today's video, and pretty much all of these are under $30 except for one that's like right over $30. But new arrivals, stunning pieces. We got a whole range in here, from pants to dresses to tops to shoes. So make sure to stay tuned to the end, and like always, everything will be listed down below in the description box, correlating with the number that you see here on the screen, which makes it super simple to shop, as well as pinned as the top comment in the comment section. Let's jump into look number one. This dress is so stunning. Now this is the one piece in today's haul that is over $30. This dress comes to $36, but honestly, again, you can't beat that. Like, just that fabric just lays so beautifully. So it does have a thin strap here, and then it kind of hugs here around the waistline for more of just like that kind of flattering. It gives you shape, and then it goes a little bit looser. But as you can see, it has this stunning little side slit, which makes for easy walking, easy movement, and obviously just adds a little bit of detail to just like a typical slip dress. Makes it a little bit different. Wearing true to size small, it is a 44-inch inseam from the top to the bottom. So this is kind of the length on my 5'9" frame. I paired it with some little white square toe heels. This would be so stunning for a vacation or a wedding that you have coming up. So as you can see, easy to layer as well. I could throw a little sweater over your shoulders if it's going to get a little chilly in the evening. It does come in 3 other color washes, but this pink floral just caught my eye. So stunning. If you're deciding to wear this on vacation or for more of like a tropical vibe, opt for this rattan. Anything rattan during the summertime just kind of brings in that warmth to looks. I just love this combo together. Here is such a good look for less. I am telling you guys, you will wear this on repeat. The fabric is that same really soft, like buttery, lightweight. I mean, it's just incredible. Lays really nicely. So this one features a V-neck. They are sold separately, but I just love the way that the two pieces lay. So this sweater is a nice thin material, lays really nicely. Paired it with the joggers that do have a stretchy waistband. The length is really nice on these. They feature pockets that don't add any bulk to it. They just kind of lay seamlessly. And the joggers are really, really flattering. So they do come in a few other color options. I love this brown color paired with some little white sneakers and a tote bag. I thought this would be the perfect travel outfit. I don't know about you guys, but I think airports and airplanes are usually chilly. So even if it's summertime, I love to throw on a little set like this that's comfortable. And also, I like to have like leg coverage when I'm sitting on an airplane and things like that. This would just be the perfect little travel outfit if you have travel plans coming up, ready to take with you on vacation. This could be a lounge outfit. You could sleep in this. It's just so comfortable. When I tell you, you need this set. I am hoping by the time I get this video up that it is still in stock, because it is next level. I truly think this is Amazon hidden gem. So I did go ahead and pair it with this little tote bag. As you can see, makes a great little travel outfit. I'm wearing true to size small in the top and the pants, and I'm telling you, one of my favorite Walmart finds. Everything about this Poplin shirt dress just gives me total designer expensive looks for less. Just the overall fit, the quality, the style of this dress, I cannot believe it is under $30. It does have functional buttons the whole way down the front, and it does have this adjustable little band here around the center. Now it is a long sleeve, like shorter style, which I feel like is kind of hard to find this time of year. The fabric is really nice and lightweight, and I love the balloon sleeve. So it's very forgiving in the arm area, and this could work great for some work environments. You could wear this to church, you could wear this to a brunch, an event you have coming up. The length on it is really nice. I'm wearing my true to size small on my 5'9" frame, and it's just a beautiful dress option. Now it does come in 3 other colorways. It also is gorgeous in this stunning hot pink, which is a huge trend this summer. As you can see, this is kind of like a blue floral, which kind of switches things up a little bit. I just cannot get enough of this dress. And as far as accessories, I went ahead and paired it with the $12 little slides. Now, as far as accessories, I went a little bit more casual and paired it with these little $12 memory foam sandals. They have memory foam padding on them. They are so comfortable if you have a lot of walking to do. They are a thong style, and then they do have an adjustable band in the back, which I love. By one of my favorite brands on Walmart. It does have have a grip on the bottom as well, and it comes in more color options. Now, obviously this dress can be dressed up with some heels for an occasion or an event, but I also wanted to show that you could dress it down a little bit with sandals if you're heading to church or date night or something like that. And to dress it up for business casual or work environment, I love to throw on some chunky loafers. I feel like the styles go together really, really well. Switches things up a little bit. These loafers are from Amazon, but they run true to size, and I've tried so many loafers out like this that have been just so uncomfortable, and these are really nice soft leather fabric that just lends itself great to wear all day long. Level of excitement over this dress, 11 out of 10. I put this on and I was like, you know, you just put on an outfit and you feel good in it. That is this dress. Like the quality, the structure of the dress is so stunning. This dress does feature a gorgeous poplin sleeve, a little cutout here on the side, which I think is such like a chic, cute little detail going on here. It is 35.5-inch inseam from the top to the bottom. So this is kind of the length on my 5'9" frame. I feel like it fits just perfectly. It's that gorgeous little mini dress option that really you can style so many different ways. It does come in 3 other colorways. So if you're wanting to go for a pop of color, definitely check out the other options. I just love this black and white print. I feel like it's so timeless, and you can kind of switch things up with accessories. So you could throw on a colorful bag, colorful jewelry just to switch things up, or your shoes. I opted just to go with some clear strap sandals. I think this would be perfect for an event, date night, vacations you might have. And again, you also could throw this on with some little white sneakers. I am wearing my true to size small, and I just love it so much. As you can see, the structure of this dress is just so flattering. So it elongates your shoulders, slims your waist, and then it just has that really flattering little bit of flare down here. So it doesn't hug your hips too much, just really, really comfortable. I cannot get over this combo. We're gonna start off with the top here. Halter kind of crisscross tops like this are really on trend, and combine it with this bright color is like summer trendy for under $20. Comes in 3 other colorways, but I want you to see like this really nice fabric. It's like a ribbed style, feels really nice quality. Now with this, you're gonna wanna wear a strapless bra or stickies. Both of those would be a really good option. And then as you can see, it is the open back with the halter top. It is a nice lightweight fabric, so it's easy to just tuck into pants like this without adding like much bulk to the pant. But I just think this is stunning. You could throw a blazer over top of it or a cardigan and style it for work as well. It just kind of gives that nice detail around the neck. Be stunning with like a hair updo or a low bun as well. And then we have to talk about these things. They also come in 3 other color options. I loved the black and white. I feel like this is kind of timeless, and it goes for like vacation looks as well as like every day. And I love the black and white combo with the pop of color. I'm wearing my true to size small, features pockets, elastic waistband, and they're just so cute. So pants like this are really, really trendy for summer of 2024. And like I said, these are $24, which honestly, like you don't find prices for pants like that anywhere else. And the quality on these are a standout. Like seriously cannot get over the combo on this. And then as far as accessories, I decided to go with this little bow bag and some little slide sandals. These run true to size, and this little bag, you'd be surprised how much you actually can fit in here. Just all of your necessities, phone, a phone charger, keys, your wallet, things like that. And then these are just the best. You can walk in these for so long. They're such a comfortable little sandal. They also come in more color options as well. So easy vacation look, easy summer look you can wear out, date night, it does it all. And if you're looking to go a little bit more casual, you can throw on these $15 little denim shorts. Really, really good Abercrombie or a Goldie look for less short. Honestly, I can't believe it, but they have a little bit of distressing. They're more of a boyfriend style, so they don't hug your legs, which personally I love. I don't like when denim shorts are super tight and short. The length on these are really, really good. They do come in a few other colorways as well. So if you're looking for a specific denim wash or a little bit of a darker denim wash, definitely check out the other color options. But as you can see, this top can easily be dressed down with some denim shorts. I did go ahead and pair this crossbody bag with it as well. It is also from Walmart. I love the colors in it. I feel like it goes so well with this top. Good structure to it, lots of room in there. And I love the comfortable shoulder strap that happens here. And then I threw it on with the $10 little sandals. So good for $10. And they're kind of that sandal that you can wear with like a dress as well, because a little bit of the sheen that goes to it, but then easy just to throw on. Like I feel like every summer wardrobe needs a good just black thong sandal to just throw on and head out the door. Coming at you with another expensive look for less. How adorable is this little poplin top? Gorgeous little puff sleeves going on here, which I always say it slims your waist, elongates your legs. So this particular top does come in a few other color options as well. Bright pink, very on trend for summer. It cinches nicely here around the waist. It does have a zip up the back. I have these really cute little keyholes on either side, which I feel like is such a fun little detail. This outfit with some denim jeans would be perfect for a date night, out to dinner, if you're on vacation. You could also style this pink top with the black and white satin pants I just shared for a little bit of a dressier look. Again, great for vacation. I am wearing true to size small in this top. I would say if you're in between sizes, I would size up one. I feel like it runs a little bit more on the fitted side, but it's also very flattering, so just keep that in mind. Overall, the fabric is really, really nice. Again, by one of my favorite brands on Walmart, and these jeans are one of my go-tos. They're nice high-rise fit, a zip fly, a nice medium wash, and they have just a little bit of just dressing right here on the knee. But as you can see on my 5'9" frame, they kind of hit like a 7'8" length, which is perfect for summertime. And in case you didn't know it, kind of like the cropped pant capris are making a comeback for 2024, which is crazy. So these would be a really great on-trend pair of denim. I love free assembly jeans at Walmart. I feel like these, you can't beat the quality for the price. I mean, you truly can't. And they feel like something that I would get and spend well over $50 for. So go Walmart. Now you can opt to go for a little monochromatic look, which is kind of different variations of the colors. So we have a light pink satin midi skirt. So this would be such a stunning summer workwear option. Or again, if you have a date night, you want to dress up a little bit. This satin midi skirt is $10, which is incredible. It does have a nice stretchy waistband, which is an easy pull-on style. Little side slit here, so which makes for easy movement. Really nice lightweight fabric, and it is lined, so it's not see-through. It comes in about 4 other color options. Goes more of like a fit and flare style, and I think it just looks so chic and elegant with this pink top. And I just think it looks so classy with this pink top. Went with some low block clear strap heels, so it wouldn't take away from the outfit at all. And I just think it is stunning. So you can wear it dressy or casual, and you can even just throw the skirt on with a little white top that's tucked in and some little sneakers or graphic tee, and that would be cute as well. One of my favorite dresses from today's haul. This dress is beautiful. I love the neckline. So it has the higher square neckline going on. It has the cinches here at the waist for a flattering style. It's a smocked back, so it's an easy pull-on style, which I love. Comes in 2 other color options. I'm wearing my true size small again here, available in extra small through 2XL. I really like the way that it hits on my calf. I feel like it's the perfect length. I love the little bit of the volume that this skirt gives. I paired it with these cute little square toe low block heels, and I feel like it gives it like the perfect dressy look that you could wear for any event, church, or anything that you have coming up. But throw this on with a pair of white fashion sneakers, and that would be stunning as well. I feel like this dress just fits perfectly, and I am so excited to wear it. If you enjoyed today's Walmart summer try on haul, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future Walmart videos. Lots of good coming your way, and hope to see you all next time. Bye.